friends. So we are 10 k's from Upington. Just left the park about an hour and a half ago, and we're stuck in third gear at 60 k's an hour.
So we're not going anywhere fast.
No. So you're gonna get fuel in Upington, which is 10 k's away, I think I said, and then try and find a downhill so that I can try and get the thing into fifth and pull off.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the update really.
Where the gearbox is hot, so we're cooking our breakfast sandwiches on there.
We met some very nice people yesterday. Tell the story about the booze.
Oh, I was walking to the shower this morning with all my shower gear kit, and a guy was coming out of the bathroom, and he asked if we were leaving today, so I told him yes, and then he said, I'm gonna give you some free alcohol, and I was a little shell-shocked and offered him money and asked if he was sure, and he was like, yeah. So he gave us a 6-pack of beer and a big box of wine. So shout out to Jan in Joburg, what a legend. It was the best gift we've ever received, especially while in lockdown.
Yeah. Rad.
So yeah, cool.
Trying to make our way to Upington to fix this damn gearbox.
Yeah, so we can drive like normal people.
Yeah. We at the moment, some of our friends said that there may be a further level upgrade to lockdown. So we hope they're not going to close the borders, because we still want to go and see our friends, even if we can't go out and Joel or whatever. So
we'll see what happens.
Yeah, let's see what happens. We'll update you.
Okay. Bye.
Yay! We found fifth!
Yes. Feels like we're going so fast, like 1,000 miles an hour.
Yes! And I pulled off in fifth on a slight uphill.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's
what a
go.
scare, but now we can make it to Upington and
wonderful.
Fix our car and throw our tent, piece of shit tent, on the side of the road with our squeaky air mattress.
Yeah, woo!
Party!
Yes, I'm happy now. Out there, very nice.
Got a dust twister.
That's
When we get next to it, so there's not burning.
yeah. From Rains Pass. Wowee! Been a pretty epic day 10. Lots of adventures, etc. This is great. This poor thing is handling it, still in 5th gear. We have the little swivel goodie replaced. That's done basically nothing. Still driving in 5th gear, at least I've got a hill to go down. Right, update later. Oh, that's got all my favorite things in that place.
Oh yeah.
Ostriches, or